Good morning. So as you know, I've been learning to ride a scooter. So today I thought we'll go for a little ride, maybe north of Arambol, like over the border to Maharashtra, because there's some really cool places there that I still haven't been to, like really beautiful scenery, and it also feels more like India up there. So yeah, I thought we'll combine having a bit of a practice on the bike with a bit of an adventure and an exploration of the area. So yeah, it should be a fun day. I don't know what we're going to come across, but we'll have to see. So I'll just get ready and then we'll head off. So I just took a little ride north of Arambol, and by the way, I know my helmet makes me look really cool, as you're about to see. But safety first. A head injury is not on my bingo card for this year. I've just stopped for a minute because in the morning it's so beautiful here. Look at that. So I already flew the drone here before, so you've seen it from above, but that's what it looks like in the morning, all misty and cool. Anyway, let's get back to it. I've just driven like 2 minutes up the road. I didn't film that bit because it's super bumpy, but there's a really interesting place here. Look at this, it's like a little shrine or something. There's one thing here. And then we've got a tiger here with emerald eyes. There's like a little deer over there as well. Is that a deer or like a little cow? And then here there's like a little tiny temple. There's like a little pyramid inside. Can't really see. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I saw it the other day and I thought I'd stop and have a look. And there's also a little banyan here. Yeah, it's really cool. I love finding little things like that. Excuse my helmet hair, but at the last stop I stopped my bike and it wouldn't start again. It's been having this problem a few times recently, so I had to kickstart it, but it took like 20 tries to get it going, so I had to ride it for a bit to sort of like hopefully get it going again. So I've ended up in Ferry at the ferry port. You can get this ferry all the way to the other side, but you have to kind of drive on like some sand and stuff, so I don't think I'll do it. I might go over the bridge instead. There's some guy jet skiing as well. That looks like fun. So I think I'll stop here for like 5 minutes and then we'll head back the other way, hopefully get back on track. So I'm in the state of Maharashtra now. I did get lost. It's to be expected though, because I obviously don't have anywhere to put my phone for a sat nav, so I've just been driving around for quite a while. But it's good experience, good practice. Super nice here, super green. Look at this field. I'm getting barked at by a dog a little bit. Very well. So I think I'm going to stop here for a minute and just chill. Hopefully the dog's not going to come. You have to be like constantly on the alert driving here. Like so much stuff happens, like people pull out in front of you. A monkey ran out in front of me as well. Yeah, you have to kind of expect the unexpected. I'm constantly checking my mirrors, even though one of them's a bit like broken. But yeah, it's going well so far. I think I'm gonna try and find somewhere to fly the drone and also try and find somewhere for a cold drink. So yeah, that's what we'll do next. Oh my god, the bike won't bloody start again. Just stopped again because look how beautiful this is. I would love to fly the drone, but I think it's private property. I have to find somewhere else. I meant to leave the bike running this time, but I accidentally knocked the key with my knee when I was getting off, so hopefully it's going to start. Oh, it started. That's good. Alright, let's go find somewhere else. Okay, this looks like a good place. I'll just have to be careful of these power lines. Nice. Some animals here. Okay, cool. I'm gonna fly it another couple of times today probably, so just a short one for now. There seems to be something going on at the temple just that way, so I'm probably gonna turn around and go have a cheeky look. I have no idea whether I'll be able to film it or not, but we'll see. That was so funny. I don't know how much of it I caught on camera, but that police lady basically told me it's Chhatrapati Shivaji's birthday or something. So I went in there and I was instantly handed like a glass of some drink and like a laddu, like a sweet or something. But yeah, everyone wanted selfies and it was really sweet. Anyway, I've just stopped on this road because there's this incredible banyan tree. Let me cross the road and show you. It's like super wide. It's just a nice place to sit for a while, I think. There's also really good views up here because we're up a hill. So I'll try and show you. So this is the view from here. There's not much of a view though. I think I'm going to try and go a bit higher and get a better vantage point. Instead of going higher up the hill, I actually ended up going back down the hill and found myself in this small town. So I'm in Vengurla, which is where that hospital was. I'm absolutely dying for a drink, so that's what I'm going to do. Basically looking for lemon soda. I can't really see it anywhere. You know where lemon soda? Lemon soda is here. Okay, maybe I go bring my bike. Okay, thank you, I'm coming. Hi. Lemon soda with here. Okay, thank you. Lemon soda is here. Oh, it's okay, don't worry.
Sweet or salty?
No sweet, no salt. Plain.
Plain.
Yes, please. Thank you.
No sweet.
No sweet. Yeah.
Just salty.
Not salty.
Salty.
Lemon soda. Just lemon and soda. It's okay.
Yeah, lemon. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, lemon.
No.
Namak, nahi.
Namak. नहीं.
No.
ये soda.
Soda, pass.
Okay.
Very good. Perfect. On to the next stop. I heard there was a lighthouse nearby, so I decided to check it out. Okay, I decided to park the bike and walk the rest of the way because the road is really bad. Look at this. I just don't really want to fall off the bike, to be honest. Apparently it takes only 15 minutes or something to walk from here. Could do with the steps anyway, because obviously I'm just riding today. There's really not much up here. I think I'm about halfway there. So that's good. I can see the lighthouse over there behind the traffic light. Electricity pylon. I don't know whether you can actually go in it, but it's worth a look anyway. I've got the hiccups, so annoying. There's loads of birds of prey just circling there. Cool. A guy just stopped me and said, over there's the most beautiful view, so could be good. He said the lighthouse is closed, but hopefully it will have been worth coming all this way. Oh, I can see it already, it looks incredible. Well, I'm pretty glad I made it up here. It's so beautiful. Nice breeze as well. It's probably ruining the audio, but it's nice for me. It's pretty hot today. But yeah, this is the Vengurla lighthouse area. We'll have a look at the lighthouse in a minute. So that is the lighthouse there. I'm just going to go see what the sign says. Visitors are allowed from 10 till 5, 25 rupees plus 20 rupees photography, but it is definitely not open, which is a shame because it looks like a really cool place. Lighthouses and lightships, India. They have so many millions of government departments in this country. I love it. Just going to sit here in the shade for a moment and then walk back to the bike, and then I'll decide on where to go next. So I think I'm going to go to the beach and check it out, see what it's like compared to the Goan beaches. That'd be nice. I was just thinking, I'm like super happy today. This is the kind of adventures that I've been missing so much, like being able to kind of get off the beaten path a little bit, experience some local culture, and yeah, it's just been really interesting. Having a bike has opened up a whole new world for travelling around this area. I'm sure there's going to be many more adventures to come. Yeah, I'm super happy. Back to like the proper Mad Mouse adventure, I think. I found the beach. I don't know if it was the beach that I meant to find, but I found a beach. Not many tourists around here. Well, it's not the cleanest beach, but there's no tourists here. which is kind of crazy because we're so close to Goa, really, like the tourist capital of India. I was hoping there would be somewhere to get a cold drink, but once again I'm not in that kind of place, but I'll have a little walk around anyway. Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't seem to be any like cafes, restaurants, that kind of thing around here. It's just not that sort of place, but quite nice to sit for a while. So I think I'm going to head back towards Arambol and hopefully get some lunch and a drink on the way. So yeah, I'll see you there. I thought I'd stop on the way back because these rice fields are pretty nice to look at. So there's this side. And then over here there's more. I assume it's rice. I obviously don't know for sure, but yeah, I just thought that was cool. I decided to stop at this pure veg restaurant for something quick to eat. And these idli were actually super good, super cheap and super fast. I've just popped back to my house because I need to charge my phone a little bit. Also my memory card in my camera is doing something a little bit weird. It's like saying it's full, but it's definitely not. So I need to sort that out as well, but then we'll head out somewhere again and maybe get a coffee somewhere nice. Let's see. I'm so tired, I need a coffee so bad, so come to my favourite place. Coffee's pretty good here as well. And the Wi-Fi, because I need to upload the video. Yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, well I've showered and stuff. It's almost sunset time, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up this hill where there's a temple and might get some nice views. And then get some food afterwards or something. I don't know yet, but we'll see. After sunset, I just headed down back into town to my favourite cafe, and I got this amazing drink called a lemon nana, which is like a frozen lemon mint juice, and I got my favourite veg thali as well. Just got home, I'm so tired, it's been quite the adventure. Hopefully lots more adventures like that to come though. Anyway, I've got cats in my house meowing at me, so I'd better sort them out. So thanks for watching, I will see you guys in the next one.